I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to fly Voyage Drone Easy Guide. Begin with a pre-flight checklist. Charge batteries, update firmware, calibrate compass, inspect propellers, and confirm GPS lock before takeoff. Choose a safe open area with low wind and clear line of sight. Review local flight rules and register the drone if required. Practice basic maneuvers at low altitude until controls feel natural and predictable for safety. Mastering controls starts with understanding each stick and button on the transmitter. Practice throttle gently to maintain stable hover and use yaw to rotate smoothly. Use short, deliberate stick inputs to move forward, back, left, and right while maintaining altitude control. Learn trim adjustments and return-to-home functions. Practice in beginner modes before switching to advanced rates. Always scan battery levels and return before low voltage cutoff today. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like for more drone tips and tutorials. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for clear audio cues and hands-free control when you prep flights. It makes checking weather, timers, and music simple while you work on calibrations. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if this helped, smash that like button. Now let's get back to the video. Start with simple flight patterns like squares, circles, and figure eights to build control and spatial awareness. Focus on smooth, predictable inputs and maintain consistent altitude during maneuvers. Practice gentle banking and coordinated turns, and build up distance gradually. Train emergency procedures like quick land and return to home, and simulate signal loss responses. Review flight logs to spot control issues, and always fly within line of sight for safety every session.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.